welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today's video I'm going to share the viral Tortilla Kebab Skewers. These Tortilla Kebab Skewers are stacked, filled with raw seasoned meat and grilled or baked to crispy golden perfection. This is a fast and yummy recipe that's perfect for your next gathering. You must try this. In a food processor, I'm adding 1 white onion, garlic 6 to 8 cloves, red pepper 1, and bunch of cilantro or parsley leaves. And you can process it few times and just squeeze out the excess water and keep it aside. For this recipe, I'm using minced beef 2 pound. To this, I'm adding the squeezed onion and pepper mix. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder ½ teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, chili flakes ½ tablespoon, paprika powder 1 tablespoon, sumac is ½ teaspoon, it's optional, salt to your taste. Mix it well with your hand until everything combined well, and then you can refrigerate for some time. I'm using the large flour tortillas for this recipe, and you can cut off the edges for more even skewers. I'm using the 8 tortillas for this recipe, and I did cut the edges for all the 8 of them. And now I'm going to spread a thin even layer of spiced meat onto the first tortilla, and then you can add another tortilla on top and repeat the process. Freeze for 1 hour to handle the cutting easier, and then you can cut into strips. For white sauce, I'm using mayonnaise 1/3 cup, yogurt 3 tablespoons, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, garlic powder ½ teaspoon, and salt to your taste. You can whisk it well and keep it ready for the assembling. Gently press the stack together, and you can then slice into thick vertical strips. place the strips facing up. You can carefully thread each strip onto a skewer vertically. You can cut alongside the skewers. Bake it in the preheated oven 425°F for 30 to 35 minutes and flipping once at every 10 minutes mark. Once it's ready, remove from the oven and you can top with your favorite sauce and garnish with some cilantro chopped and sliced onions and cucumber. You need to try this viral recipe. It's juicy spiced meat, grilled or baked in layers of tortilla, skewed to perfection. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.